Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Williams from Powered by Chiropractic. Often patients ask me what that popping noise is. So to show you, I'll show you with my spine here. So your brain is up here. The extension of that is your spinal cord. It goes right through the middle of all the bones. The final extension are all these nerves. They exit through these little openings in between the bones, between the vertebra, just in front of these joints. These joints are what guide the movement of the vertebra. So these joints are synovial joints, which means there's a capsule around them. They're filled with synovial fluid. When I perform an adjustment, when it changes the pressure enough in that joint, the gas will be forced out and it causes that popping sound. Just like when you crack open a can of pop, because it's under pressure, the gas is coming out of that liquid. Okay? But the real magic happens is when we correct the spine, take the pressure off the spinal cord and nerves, so the power can get your brain out to your body so your body can function the way it's designed to function. So get your power turned on so you can start living your best life.